My name is Burak. I'm gonna make you great kangaroo salad. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe us and turn all notifications on. Hi everyone, welcome to Cook's Travel, and it's a spring season. Weather is getting warmer and we are gonna making more salads now. Salads are very healthy, nutritionally tasty. So I'm gonna show you the best way and best methods how to make great salads. Kangaroo is a native animal of Australia. So when you have a closer look, this meat has got no fat. Pretty much you can't see any fat line inside of the meat. That makes meat very healthy. So there is no unnecessary fat. You've got problem with the cholesterol or you are in less fat diet. This is the meat you're gonna go for. Kangaroo meat known for very, very healthy red meat. So we're gonna cook one of them. The only important thing is when you're cooking, you should not cook it well done. And try not to use frozen kangaroos, because even in Australia, it's not very easy to find kangaroo in any butchers. I got it from my local butcher. Any meat like a kangaroo meat with the less fat needs to have very, very good marinade. So I'm gonna show you how to make it. The most important part is very acidic sauce we are gonna make for marination. So meat goes in. Yes. So in a bowl, we're gonna put olive oil in. That's gonna be very acidic marination. Soy sauce, white wine vinegar, cloves, just a small amount of it, oregano, it's gonna go, fennel seeds, going around, cracked pepper, a little bit coriander, ground coriander, and cumin, red wine, as you see, this is the mixture. Some people use milk too instead of the red wine, but I usually use red wine. So very tasty, beautiful kangaroo meat. Look at this. Now I'm going to cover this one, take to the fridge, and I already made one about like 6 hours ago. So I'm going to bring back this one so we can save time and start cooking. Yes, this is the kangaroo I was talking about. So it's been there for more than 6 hours and I'm gonna start cooking it. Pan is getting warmer. Olive oil goes in. Pan must be very hot because when you cook kangaroo meat, it's gonna be like a rare to medium. You need to keep it softer. If it is too tough, it's really hard to eat it. It's very short cooking time. Yeah, smoke is starting coming up. And steak is gonna go in now. Look at this, beautiful. Takes like 2-3 minutes. You need to seal each side and every other corners. I'm pretty sure we are going to have very, very fresh, beautiful, tasty salad. Now I'm flipping it over. A bit more rosemary leaves. As you see, in every corner has to touch the pan. Kangaroo meat is ready now. We're gonna take it and cut it in slices for salad. As you see, inside is rare. Beautiful. I'm transferring the kangaroos on the plate, and we are starting making salad. While kangaroo meat is getting cooler, I'm gonna make the salad quickly. We're gonna have whole cucumber from the sideway. I'm planning to make it for one person, so it's not gonna be very big salad. I have chosen the green salad from mainly rich in rocket and parsley and beetroot leaves. As you see, very fresh. Continental parsley. You don't have to chop it. And little baby lettuce leaves. Lettuce leaves. Now I'm going to put the tomato, little tomatoes, small cherry tomatoes. This is just a very smaller size, as you see. And a little bit broccoli. I already steamed them and cooled it down, so it's going to be a very healthy salad. A few mushrooms. Look at this. Cucumbers on the side. A little bit corns for color. Sesame is going to go on top of the kangaroo. Beautiful. Look at this. Sesame goes on top of the kangaroo meat all the time. It's a pretty good idea when you're making salad with kangaroos. Use sesame. I'm going to locate the meats. This is for the one person, so I'm not going to put a lot of it. Okay, we are getting to the end. I'm going to arrange the dressing quickly. It's going to be balsamic vinegar dressing. Balsamic vinegar, ground coriander, green herbs, just like a touch of it, sweet paprika in a sauce. That's it, very, very simple. Let's put it on top of it. Great. Very strong dressing and Himalayan salt and pepper. This is the healthiest salad you can ever have. Seasoned greens, all tomato, mushroom, kangaroos. They're full of nutrition and less in fat. Great, I'm very happy I'm going to have this one. Thank you very much. Please like the video and subscribe us.